Good morning, first graders. Lola says good morning too. Good job, Lola. Okay, this morning, or today, is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. To write that number form, we do 4 for April, 16 for the date, and 20 for the year. Today we will have 8 things to do in Seesaw. And your to-do list is in there. And your activities are in Reader's Workshop, Word Work, Writer's Workshop, Math, Social Emotional, and PE. In Reader's Workshop, we're going to be talking about our characters some more, and we're going to be looking at how when we are doing our reading of our books, we can go back and reread and bring our characters to life. We can try to figure out how they might be feeling and kind of read like that feeling. Like if they're angry, we might read angry, and if they're happy, we might read happy. If they're excited, we might read excited. So we're going to be working on bringing the characters to life as we do our reading today. In word work, we're going to be doing more work with vowel teams, which you are so good at. Today we're going to be focusing on these top 5, AI, AY, EA, and EE. In Writer's Workshop, you'll get to watch a mini lesson on conjunctions, and that's a really fancy word. But what it stands for is a linking word that you would put in between 2 sentences to combine them. And the most common conjunctions are and, or, so, and but. And you'll figure out how you can use those today and learn more about it. In math, you're going to be doing some more measuring with standard units. So standard units are the things you might find on rulers, or if you're measuring miles, or if you are measuring centimeters. And centimeters is what we're going to be looking at closely today. And we've talked about this in room 8. The centimeters, if you have a ruler, some rulers only show inches like this. But then some rulers show both. And centimeters are the ones that are spaced closer together. Okay? You'll be doing an activity. There's no video to watch in math today, but you'll be doing an activity where you practice with measuring to the centimeter, and then you'll also do a word problem, and there's another game in there that is for fact fluency. And the game is an ABC link, and last week when we sent one out, there was some trouble connecting to ABCS, so I hope you're able to get on. I got the new link last night. I tried it out. It worked on my computer, and I'm just crossing my fingers that it works for you guys today too. So hopefully you'll get to practice your fact fluency with the balloon popping game in ABC. It's for subtraction. In social emotional, we're going to do an activity that I think you guys are going to be excellent at because you are really good at being kind. And it's a kindness activity where you're going to show on this paper the ways that you are kind. And I know you can fill this whole thing up and many more papers. And then finally, PE, you're going to do a Go Noodle activity, and I think it's a dancing activity. I have to go back and look, but I'm pretty sure it's dancing. And then finally, we will have a small group Zoom calls today. So your group might go at 9 or 9:30 or 10 or 10:30. It's the same time that you went on Tuesday for your reading group, but today we're going to do math talks. And during our math talks, we're going to do splat, which is something we did in class where we have blue dots and then a black splat comes down and covers some of them, and we have to figure out how many are covered by that black dot. And we might also try a same but different where we look at 2 pictures and try to say the ways they are the same and the ways they are different. And then we might even try a which one doesn't belong activity as a math talk. So I look forward to seeing all of you then at your small group Zoom talk, and I hope you have a wonderful Thursday.